Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this Barbie and the Magic of Pegasus outfit and Dress to Impress. I did use some VIP items, but if you don't have them, you can just not use them. It's okay. I will be deleting everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. So for the hair, I use this hair in this color. Position the Y to 0.53, Z 0.54, and scale to 0.44. Then I use this updo in the same color as well. Then I use this curly hair, this one, in the default toggle in the same color. Position the Y to 0.41, Z to 0.61, rotate the X to 0.53, and scale it to 0.44. For the outfit, you are going to use the witch set here in this color, so D3ADFF in glitter for both. For the first and second one. For the third, use this color FFC2EA, and then the same for the lace. Use the same witch skirt set in the same color, glitter, and in that pink color. Then you are going to use these shoes in ballet in this color, E9D1FF for all of it. Then you are going to use this for the wand. You can do whichever one you want. I'll do the bounce one with no axe. Color it this color, DC91FF, and then this color, E9D1FF, maybe in glitter. Actually, let's do default. Then for the necklace, we are going to use, this one here in this color, E91FF in glitter, and then the pink one, FFC2EA in glitter. Now, these last two options are optional. These last two items are optional. Grab this dress in bow only in the same purple color in glitter. And then if you want to add the crown, add this crown here in E9D1FF and FFC1E9 in glitter. First toggle, position the Y to 0.65, Z 0.53, and scale it to 0.24. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.